Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Last Breath on piano. To begin, carefully listen to the original track to identify the distinct melody and bass lines. Start by practicing the right-hand melody at a very slow tempo, ensuring each note is accurate. Then, introduce the left-hand accompaniment, focusing on the rhythmic patterns. This foundational approach will help you build a solid understanding of the piece's structure and coordination between both hands. Once you have a grasp of the basics, break the entire piece into smaller, more manageable sections. Focus on mastering each segment individually, ensuring smooth transitions between phrases. A crucial tool here is a metronome. Start at a slow pace, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase the tempo as your confidence grows. This systematic approach prevents overwhelm and builds muscle memory effectively. To truly bring Undertale Last Breath to life, focus on adding expression and dynamics. Experiment with varying your touch to create softer and louder passages, enhancing the emotional depth. Explore different articulations, such as crisp staccato notes and smooth legato phrases, to add character. Effective use of the sustain pedal can also create a richer, more resonant sound, connecting notes beautifully throughout the piece. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the tempo until you reach the desired speed. A valuable tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back can highlight areas needing further attention, like uneven rhythms or missed notes. Finally, consider performing the piece for friends or family. This experience builds confidence and helps you refine your performance under pressure, making your rendition truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.